and perform with such perfection and grace. And to appreciate this, we always need a wonderful audience. So thank you, Shankar sir and Arur sir and the rest of the members for being such a wonderful audience. Thanks a lot. Now we'll have Kuchipudi performance by Latika and Matangi ma'am on a very famous dance item. It is a renowned traditional choreography in Telugu. So let's have Kuchipudi.
తగతదిమిత గిట దగజంత జగతతుంగ దుగుడగదుంత తుగుడ్జన గిన జగనంత జగనంతక తగనంతక తగజంతక కృతక తగజం తగనం తకుందది గిట తగ తగిట తగిట దిమిత దిమిత గిట గిట తెగిట తత్తం చారా తది గిన్నత చారా కృతక దిం చారా యదువంశ సుఖాంబుది చంద్ర స్వామిరా ದಿತ್ತ ದಗ ದತ್ತ ದಿನ್ ದದ ಜಂತ ದಿಂ ದತ್ತ ದ ದಿತ್ತ ದಿ ದತ್ತ ದಿನ್ ದದ ಜಂತ ದಿಂ ದತ್ತ ದ ದತ್ತ ದಿತ್ತ ದಗ ದಿತ್ತ ದ ದಿನ್ ದಿತ್ತ ದಗ ದತ್ತ ಜಡು ದಿತ್ತ ನಗರ ದಿತ್ತ ನಗರ ದಿನಗರ ದಿತ್ತ ನಗರ ದಿತ್ತ ನಗರ ದಿನಗರ ದಿತ್ತ ನಗರ ದಿತ್ತ ದಿತ್ತ ನಗರ ದಿತ್ತೆ ದಿತ್ತ ನಗರ ದಿನ ದದ್ದಿ ದಂಡ
Abhang is a form of devotional poetry sung in praise of Hindu god Vitthal, also known as Vithoba. His various